Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this DIY photo shoot that I had with my kids. I love taking pictures of my kids every year for Valentine's Day and gifting them to their grandparents. I like to print out the photos that I take of them, frame them either in a DIY frame or a bought frame, and it's an inexpensive and it's a special Valentine for the grandparents. All you need to do is dress your kids in cute outfits, purchase minimal props if you want, and find a good background either inside your house or outside if it's not too cold. And I took the photos with my phone, and natural lighting is best, but I did use studio lights only because I took the photos of my kids in front of a window, and if I didn't use the studio lights, they would look very dark. So just use what you have and trust that it's going to look great. So last year I took photos of my kids and kind of vlogged it. So I'm going to have that linked below so you guys can watch it. These are the photos. I took photos of my daughter looking at herself in the mirror, applying makeup and lip gloss and kissing herself. It was so adorable. And for my son, I stuck hearts onto the wall and made it look like he was blowing heart kisses. That was super cute. And for my daughter, when she was a baby, I loved taking pictures of her using little props from the Dollar Tree, some of my jewelry. I love these photos of them together. I kissed my son all over with red lipstick, and her shirt says kisses 25 cents. I got that off of Amazon. And for the background, I threw a sheet over the headboard of my bed. You can see it on the corner there. And once you crop the photos and edit them a little bit, you won't even notice. So I'm telling you, use what you got. Check this photo out. I love how I got my daughter inside of this rose petal heart, but it was a lot of trouble. I laid her on my rug. You can see my feet there. I put the rose petals around. I even had to get up on a ladder to get the perfect shot, but I did what I had to do and I had a lot of fun and it came out super cute. So I hope this video inspires you and you have a little photo shoot for your kids before Valentine's Day. And if you're feeling super inspired and crafty, you could even DIY your photo frames. These are wooden frames that we painted, put stickers and diamonds on them, and then gifted them to the grandparents. Or you could use regular frames like these. So now I'm going to cue the montage and show you how I had a DIY photo shoot with my kids this year. I love how my photos turned out, and I can't wait to share them with both sets of grandparents for Valentine's Day. I also wanted to share these frames that I have here that were also a DIY that I made. They were wooden frames that I found at Walmart. I painted them black and applied stickers onto them, and I put photos of me and Philemon in there. Yearly we do a Christmas kiss, so I printed out those photos and put them inside of this wooden frame, and I gifted this to him about 6 or 7 years ago for Valentine's Day. So this is also a great idea for you to do for any Valentine, not just grandparents, not just kids. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at gabdel2. I love you guys, and I will see you guys all next time.